What's up guys, this is Karan here back with another video. Welcome to Tech Karan YouTube channel. I'm back with another video for Redmi Note 8 and today I have installed H2OS custom ROM which is based on Android version 10 and you got the security patch here. Just let me show you. You got the security patch of 5th of May 2020, the latest security patch. This one is actually the ported ROM for Redmi Note 8. So yes, some bugs could be here and there, but this is almost a stable build for Redmi Note 8. So which are the things you get in this build, and is it totally stable custom ROM for Redmi Note 8? What is the Geekbench score? How about Gcam and everything else in this video? So make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's get started right now. Okay, so as you can see, this is an about phone. Our device name is showing as OnePlus 7, and thanks to the developer Clev Edition, Farkhan is a developer. So thanks to the developer who ported this build for our Redmi Note 8. H2OS is a stable build for Redmi Note 8 which is based on Android version 10. This is actually the Chinese build of Oxygen OS. If you ever heard about Oxygen OS, first of all, if you talk about the home screen, this type of home screen which you get here, not enough customization, but this is totally stable and totally same as Oxygen OS. You get three options available here: wallpapers, widgets and home settings. When you go to wallpaper, there is an option of Earth Super Wallpapers, and you also can customize your wallpaper by inbuilt photos or giving the permission of your media. You also got the option of home settings, where you have the option of add icon to home screen, hide icon labels. You can also adjust the launcher layout, and you also have the option of choosing the icon pack if you have any, or it does not have any icon pack pre-installed. You can simply move on to Google Play Store and download any icon pack from there. So moving on to some other things, this is the Earth wallpaper which I have applied, and this is not looking bad. You got the Never Settle widget here. As you can see, never settle. And if you talk about the status bar, this type of things you get here, and this one is Macro Droid is pre-installed. And if you talk about the quick settings, a lot of quick settings options are available which you can customize from here. Just click on edit icon. You also got option of adding these tiles to your device, and when you click here, you don't get any option to customize your columns and rows. So quickly moving on to some other things. If we talk about Geekbench score, the Geekbench score is not that much great. 310 is the single core score and 1277 is the multi-core score, which is not that much performance thing. I was expecting a little bit more, little bit good score, but unfortunately we didn't got it. If we talk about Magisk Manager, I have tried Magisk and it's perfectly working, as you can see. And if you talk about the safety net status, let me see safety net check is passed or not. It should pass. Not CTS profile is false and basic integrity is false, so it means safety net is not passed here. This is a thing you have to keep in mind. And talking about other things, Via browser is the default browser which you get here, and if you don't get Play Store pre-installed, you have to download this app from any browser you can use. I like IDM Plus, which I use probably a lot of times. And if you talk about Gcam, I'm using Gcam 7.3 here, which is working perfectly, including HDR+. You can see HDR+ is on. Photos are clicking perfectly. Photo, portrait, camera, everything is just great, and without any issues, you can use Gcam. So that's another cool thing. If you talk about default cam, there is no default cam available, like no OnePlus camera, no other camera. So you have to install Gcam by your own. So moving on to the settings, let's check out some features here. Wi-Fi and network, Bluetooth and device connection, everything is same. If we talk about Bluetooth media bug, it does not have any Bluetooth media bug. You can use Bluetooth device for listening songs and watching movies, and it will work definitely for you. So this bug is fixed here. That's a very cool thing. Moving on some other things, display like status bar customization, sleep, screen calibration, notch, and here's some extra options like ambient display, font size, status bar, and almost same features like other OnePlus builds already have. In customization options, you have the option of customizing the horizon light. You can customize the horizon light like to red, gold, purple, these 3 lights options you get here. Okay, so move on to some other things. Sound and vibration, you got the Dolby Atmos here is pre-installed. And if you talk about the touch vibration, that's perfectly working. I was using and it's just perfectly working. So that's another cool thing, that this thing is also fixed. If we talk about buttons and gestures, I am using navigation gestures and you can see I am just using perfectly. I didn't got any lags here yet. And this is an option of hide the bottom bar, and you can see bottom bar is also hidden. So another cool thing. So that's why I already told you this is almost a stable build for Redmi Note 8. If you talk about the customization, if you talk about the performance, this is super duper great. And here it is, face lock is still a bug when you open face lock, and you have to fill your pattern, and when you click on add face data, it's not working. So face lock is still a bug. I don't know when it will be fixed, or will it be fixed or not. Privacy location and battery, everything is super same, no extra things are here. Digital well-being is pre-installed as you can see, and it is an option of hard settings where you get some extra options like system build settings you can customize. You should have proper knowledge of these things whatever you are going to do. If you don't have any knowledge, just don't use these things. If you have knowledge, go for it and try out some other things. Game space customization options are available here. You can customize your system UI. You also have the option of checking the status of your SIM card and IMEI device, and these other things you get here. Thanks to the developer who have just ported this great ROM for Redmi Note 8. Quick launch, parallel apps, app locker, and all other things are same here, and it lasts about phone, which I have already shown you. So these were the things you get here in this H2 OS build for Redmi Note 8. I hope you like this build. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Have a nice day.